welcome guys. So this video is my Leetcode section, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Okay, so 263 ugly number, and so basically you only a positive number prime factors only include 2, 3, 5. So the first say that okay, so here is the here is also a condition that 1 is typically treated as ugly number. So if a number is 1, then we just return true. Then n is less than 0, then by definition I should return false. Okay, so key point is that if n is divisible by 2, 3, or 5, then you just find its factor. So suppose okay, so let's say 6. So 6 is divided by 2, then we will get 3, and 3 is divisible by 3, then we just return. Okay, so then we'll get 1, and if you get 8, then you can see it will keep dividing by 2. If I get 14, I will first divide by 2, but and I will get 7. However, 7 is not divided by 2, divided by 3, divided by 5. So the number will be 7, and 7 is not equal to 1. It's not equal to 1. So 7 will return false. And this is my result. With more memory, but it's very faster. It's very faster. Okay, so this is my video, and I will see you guys in the next video. And be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.